Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down in the description of this video. So, go choose depending on your trading style. But my advice to you is to watch the video from the start till the end to know exactly where is the Bitcoin going, but that is up to you. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes you, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Why? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. As you see here, today the Bitcoin, what it gave us here, it couldn't break that level here, so we stay stuck here. I'm talking here about long-term traders, and that level here, it's still holding. So till now, that one is a very good signal till now. So maybe now it's going to go higher and to break here, or it's going to break down and to come down till here, because all those ones, there are two scenarios. This still possible, because as I show you till now, if you're looking with me, look here what the Bitcoin give you here. That a high came down here, give us a low. Now he gave us here another high. So if you came here to that last high here, that one, and you draw in a line, what you saying? That level here, it's still very stronger, and the Bitcoin, it couldn't break it down. And even the candles they are here, they're still very powerful there. So all those things, they still giving us confident about the Bitcoin. But I know it's not yet. It's need to come up and to break for us that last high, which is here. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, we got here a trend line like that. So it's going to stay sideways here till it will touch it here. Then after that, it will go in upward. Even that one is a scenario. Now, what should we do? Because I know majority of you waiting that. What should we do now? At this moment, nothing. Because if you remember what I told you we got here a very clear flag here. Look at it. That in the daily. A very clear flag here in the daily. So either from here, we're going to go back to touch the lower of it here. That's possible. Or with how to go back from here, we are going to go up and we break in here. Everything is too clear. And what else we said here in the last video, in that level here, we make it like that candle here. And we said we got here an inside bar. So till now, we couldn't break the highest here and we couldn't break the lower of that inside bar. So also we still in the range of that inside bar. Did you see it or no? Look at that green candle here. And look, till now, us we staying sideways here. So it's need the market to break either up or to break down for us to make a decision based on that. Till now, there is nothing. Us we staying sideways here. Yes, it came very bad news. It came a lot of bad news and those things. But till now, the Bitcoin is still looking healthy and there is no power to push it down. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see the news who came yesterday and the news which is coming today. So let's go in there. Here we are. As you see it, that the news will come today. What else we said is going to come today? First thing is the GDP of USA. The GDP of USA of the Q4, it came very negative. As you see it, it came 2.7%. The previous one, it used to be 3.2%. So it came very bad, and it came bad than the expectation or the forecast of investing. Because them, they being forecasting 2.9, but it came very bad, 2.7. That's the first bad news. And the Bitcoin is still holding. Yes or no? Another thing came here. That one. The initial jobless claim. So that meant people, they're losing the job of them. It used to be the previous one, 195K. The forecast here, it used to be 200K. What it came here? Look at it. It came 192K. It came very positive for employment. What that meant? That meant it used to be 195K people. Yep, they're losing the job of them. This month it came only 192. That meant people defending new job. And unemployment, it's not rising like how the Fed wanted. No, unemployment, it's falling. That one is another major thing for US economic. We need to make a close eye at those things I'm telling you. So it came today, two major news. The GDP and the second one is jobless claim, and both of them, they came very bad bad for US economic. That's what is going to take us to the Fed. It will not stop increasing interest rate more. Everything is too clear. Now let's going to see the news which is coming today. For picture to get more clear to you. News which is coming today. It's very, 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 very important news. Look at it. That one. The core PCI. Or that one is the inflation indicator the Fed follow. That one here, that indicator, that one is very, very, very important thing. You need to focus about it. That's why me, I'm thinking the Bitcoin is still falling down more than that. Second one, what is it? We got new home sale. By the way, the first one is going to come at 1:30 GMT time, second one at 3 o'clock. So you change it to your local time depending where you are in the world and where you're watching me from. All that two news which is coming today is very, very, very huge news and you need to focus about them. And I tell it to you in the start of the week. I told you all that week we got very huge news. But the Bitcoin is still very stronger and it's still holding in his place. Plus, what we got here, it's our friend. What it's telling us here, US stocks, even that bad news, at the end of the day, all of them, they become green. Because if you been trading all the whole day, the SP been falling like that red. But at the end of the day, you're doing something like that. It give us a green pin bar. If you follow the SP 500. So all of them here, they close in the day green. That's good news, but which is coming tomorrow is very, very bad news. You need to focus about it. And here our friend, the VIX, today it fell down a little bit. We are 21.14. But we're still above than 20. Even that one, you need to be focused about it. Plus here, the US dollar, it's still 104. Still above, guys. You need to be focused about those things, me, I'm telling you, and try to connect in dots still now together. US economy is still very bad. Till now, the Bitcoin, it hasn't left the correlation with the Nasdaq. The Bitcoin is very, very correlated to the Nasdaq. So you need to be focused about those things, me, I'm telling you. Always if, because there is some news, they saying there is Hong Kong and China, they are going to make new laws for investors of China and Hong Kong to start investing in Bitcoin, and it's going to be legal to invest in Bitcoin there. That one, if it happens, the Bitcoin, it will not be correlated to the Nasdaq. But when, nobody knows. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Also here, what we said, we used to have here that triangle like that. It's getting broke here. Bitcoin fall down till here. It go back up. It touches again. Now it fall down again. Now for us to know it's going to fall down, it needs to break for us that last low, which is here. Till now it hasn't break it. So till now there is nothing yet. People, they enter with us from here. Short. Now them they are in profit. Try to protect yourself. Move the stop loss at least to that place here because you don't know what's going to happen. And now, what I told you in the last video, I told you we got here like a flag here. You see it or no? That's the flag. Even that one is a price action pattern. Till now, there is no power to break in that last level here or that supply and demand zone here, or else we stay in here. Now either we are going to go back and break in here high and to break the 25k, or we are going to go back down again to that level here. So till now there is nothing new here, and look with me here without to go back, without nothing. Look here, that level me have been showing you in the daily. Look at it here. You see it or no? How we are stuck in it. We couldn't break it here. So please stop follow other people. They're telling you, oh, you need to enter short, you need to enter long. Till now there is nothing here. The only place we used to have a price action is here. It's breaking here, we enter short, and the stop loss also we put it up. Now it came a test here. You need to move the stop loss to that level here. That one here. That's where it needs to be your stop loss now. I think picture is too clear to you guys. Now let's go into our indicator, what it's saying today. That one here, we said it all long time. We got here a divergence. And yes, you got another one here. But today, someone we working with, he tell me we got here a hidden divergence here. From that peak, that one and that one. And yes, he was 100% right. Let me show it to you. If you came here to that one here and that one here. What you see over here, it's doing like that, and over here it's doing like that. A hidden divergence, it doesn't mean the Bitcoin it will move upward. No, a hidden divergence, it means the Bitcoin it will continue downward. How are you going to trade it? You came to that level here, that one here, and you're waiting. If the Bitcoin break here down, you can enter short. Remember what I tell you or no? People, they been with us that 2 days ago, us we enter from here. And you can even find that picture in the community tab. People in my Telegram channel, I put it for them. I told you, look at it. When it's breaking here, enter short. It's breaking here, will have you enter short. Look where you are now. And now you got here a hidden divergence here at that level here. But till now it hasn't broken the lower here. So also we're still waiting. If it's breaking lower here, maybe it's going to go down till here, till where we started from, till down here, till that level here. Everything is too clear, guys. So now here, look with me here. All controlling here in that market. The Bitcoin, it couldn't stay here long. Yes or no? So people, they want to drop the Bitcoin more. No one of them want to sell. And people, they buy from 15K. They don't want to sell. They are not getting scared yet. So if you are a very conservative person, all those corrections started to DCA. If you are a swing trader, you need to be entering short now on to put stop loss. That's it. Me today, all the whole day I've been entering short in Bitcoin. I make from it very nice money, but not in spot, in save this. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, we used to be here at the overbought area. We used to have here that price action here. It's getting broke here at that level here. Also, we enter short and we put a stop loss here in the top. Till now, the Bitcoin is showing to us there is no more power to push down. But you, if you enter with us now, move the stop loss down here to that level here. You don't know what's going to happen. It might from here, it will going back upward, but you like that, you will not lose nothing. Or it might is going to fall down more because over here it's showing to us it's still falling down, but there is no big momentum to push lower more, guys. So you need to be focused about those things. So here in our indicator, it's showing to us it's falling down, and even the price action is showing to us it's falling down. The only thing now you need to wait in that level here, that one here to be broken. That level here, if it's getting broke, you're going to see the Bitcoin falling down till here. But all that, there is no big volume people they selling. People they selling, they are very, very low volume compared to the grains, guys. You need to focus about that one. No one want to sell. All that falling down like that, you see it how it's falling down. Very small. There is no momentum to fall down. There is no fuel of the market. So let's see tomorrow if the CPI came, what is going to tell us. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last video I told you here, we got here a cup and handle here. And we be in here exactly. I told you if it's breaking here, interlong. It's break here, we'll have you interlong till here. Yes or no? Another thing, that one me, and follow it till now. That one here, I got here a small triangle here. As you see, even that one, if it's breaking up here, maybe it's going to go back till here. But that one me, I follow it for as a day trader to break here that level. Yes or no? And what me I told you here, we said here we got a downtrend line here. It's breaking here, look till where it went. Now over here, what should you do? Look with me here. You see that peak here, that one here, you connecting them like that by a line like that, and down you're doing the same thing like that, and you waiting. If it's breaking up here, you can enter long. If it fall down and break a lower here, it's going to fall down more than that. Everything is too clear. And another thing, look at it here. You see the 50 moving average? It's crossing below than the 200. And the 200 here, what it's reacting? It's reacting like a very stronger support. You see it or not? Every time we touch it, it's reacting like a very stronger support. Me, that 50 moving average, I don't use it. I use just the 200 moving average. Because me, I don't trade with the 50 moving average. I just make it here to tell me exactly if we are going down or not. Now, the only level we're holding is that level here. We're holding the Bitcoin don't to fall down more. Now here, also we got that price action here. If it's breaking here, also we are going to enter long. If it fall down here and break a lower here, also we are going to enter short. That's it. And over here, the Bitcoin, he tried to give you here like a head and shoulder here. You see it or no? The neckline is down here. So even that one is a price action. If it's breaking lower here, you can enter short. If it's breaking up, you can enter long. And look at it. You got two support. The 50 and the 200 moving average. You need to make a close eye at those things, me, I'm telling you. Another thing, let me show it to you. You remember with me, I told you here about the 200 moving average. What it's telling you here in that level where we are, it's telling you the market is flat. There is no power to break up or to break down. So till now, there is nothing new. And here in 30 minutes, as we tell you like that, when it's breaking here, we'll have you enter short tail down here. Now it go back, it touch it here. Now it falling down here. And now here we got a very clear price action here. Just show it to you. That one, me, I follow it all the whole day to get broke either up or either down. And me, I follow it in 5-minute time frame to break either up or either down. It hasn't been broken. So till now, I'm still waiting the break where it's going to happen. Everything is too clear. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it. Also, we are here at the oversold area. So technically now, also we need to look in for a buy opportunity. Level, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it, we bring it from here, here, and here. Every time he used to touch it, the market, he bounced up. And now also we got here a price action here, the triangle. If we break it up, enter long. Remember that. Take profit of you. The first level, the 200 moving average, the simple moving average. Remember that. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. And please don't forget to support us by just smashing that like button, writing down a comment. Please support us. You know that channel without you, it can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. So that's it for that video. See you in another video. Bye for now.